Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Once again, in this video we'll be looking at how can you clear your device if it is running out of space. So the problem is very common these days because your device maybe contains some sort of chunks, application and everything. So we're gonna figure this out. So yeah, as you can see clearly now, it says storage is running out of space. It means there is nothing left that I can use it for the further use. So let me show you the quick overview inside the file manager application so you can see what is the actual condition. So the condition is like 97% is almost used, it is covered, and I cannot use it further for any use. So I'm gonna install I'm gonna use the security application. It comes along with the MIUI 10. So if you know about it, it is the built-in application, comes with a cleaner tool, security application, virus detection and everything. So it clearly says that there are some things which are need to be get optimized. So click over the optimize, then it will optimize all the possible things are supposed to be taken. Okay, so now it says like there is 611 MB of trash within your device, so make sure you clean it using this tool. So if you never scanned or never cleaned up your trash, then make sure you use this tool to clean all the trash and unwanted things. Now moving on to the next step. Here you can see some applications, and every big file has their own data type and size. So you can actually figure out what kind of application you are not using longer. Then you can check on those applications and manually remove it. So delete all those unwanted applications that you don't use anymore, like you are not using from a long time. Moving to the next step, you can clearly see here it is WhatsApp cleaner, and I recommend you to use this because definitely you will have a lot of junk within the WhatsApp, I guarantee. Moving to the next feature of this deep clean is it will scan all of the big files and everything, and it will let you know that what kind of data type and what type of application is covering a lot of space. So the most of my videos are inside Snap to You, so I'm not going to clean that up. You can select the gallery and other application which seems suspicious to you. You can clear the gallery application, that is just going to remove the cache of thumbnails. That's it. That is not going to remove your videos or any photos. So you can manually check on all those and hit delete select data. Now you can see, as I told you, it will also let you know what are the big files or the data types within your storage. So manually select all those one by one, and make sure you are not removing any personal data, like if you already have a very big audio or video file, there are chances that you might lose it. So select all those files very carefully and then delete. Now moving to the next final point about this application is, if you already using cracked application or something, like you already have some sort of packages of Android, make sure you remove all those, because there is no sense to keep outdated or unwanted application setup. Now the last and final pro tip is about the storage. So if you ever updated your device and you finally think like some sort of data is covering my space and something is wrong with this device, it is running slow, then instantly clear this cache and it will help you a lot. So these were some steps, and I hope you found it useful. If it was, make sure you leave a like, share and subscribe to the channel if you didn't yet, and I will see you guys in next one. Stay safe, have fun, goodbye.